Good morning everyone. In this video we will understand about the flexural test of hardened cheese bar. We will perform it in the Presto universal testing machine. So the purpose of performing this test is to understand the texture of the sample as per the American standard for snacks. So that we will be using, which says for a snapping test of the sample, so that we will be performing on the suitable grippers. These are the grippers. This you can see the fixture. So this is the part which will apply load onto the sample. This is the gripping section. We will place the sample here, and this is the scale, so which will be used to measure the gauge length of the sample. We can slide this particular thing also, and here this is how we will be doing the sample placement. So standard we will be following for performing this test is AACC, which is the American standard for snacks. This is Presto Universal Testing Machine software US Ultimo that we will be using. So here we will go in the start test mode because we will be performing the 3-point bending test or the flexural test. So we will go in this mode. And this is the section we will feed the load limit here, the travel limit we will be feeding. So let's set it 450, and material we are using is a cheese bar. Customer name, material, load limit, travel limit we will be feeding, that is let's say 300 mm, and speed 100 mm per minute. We'll feed the length, width, thickness of the sample, and then we will start the test. To starting the test, we will see the live load versus displacement graph, and it will break the sample. The amount of load to break the sample will be recorded in the software, and we can analyze this test. So the sample has baked very hardly, so it is showing that the texture is brittle in nature, not the soft one. So this is how you can understand the texture of the sample with the help of flexural test in universal testing machine. So for more information regarding the testings, you can contact Presto. Thank you so much.